Would you rather? Cute Animals Edition. Subscribe and like for more. So bring out those popcorns, let's begin! Play with a fluffy bunny or play with a playful puppy. The last one will shock you. Feed baby pandas bamboo or feed baby elephants peanuts. Watch a litter of kittens nap or watch a litter of puppies nap. Which one would you choose? Have a pet hedgehog or have a pet guinea pig? A tough decision. Watch a red panda, climb trees, or watch a baby otter swim. It's up to you. Snuggle with a baby sloth or snuggle with a baby meerkat. Make a choice. Groom a fluffy alpaca or groom a soft bunny. What's your preference? Watch a family of raccoons play or watch a family of squirrels gather nuts. Which one would you pick? Watch a group of ducklings waddle around or watch a group of baby goats play. Choose carefully. Live with a family of lemurs in the jungle or live with a family of penguins in the Arctic. Cuddle with a baby tiger in the wild or cuddle with a baby monkey in the rainforest. Which one would you choose? Feed a group of flamingos by the lake or feed a group of parrots in the tropical forest. A tough decision. Watch baby elephants play in the savannah or watch baby lions frolic on the grasslands. It's up to you. Have a pet snake slither around your home or have a pet lizard bask in the sun. Make a choice. Play with a group of macaws in the rainforest or play with a group of lemurs in the canopy. What's your preference? Snuggle with a baby jaguar in the jungle or snuggle with a baby cheetah on the savannah. Which one would you pick? Groom a beautiful peacock in the garden or groom a colorful parrot in the aviary. Watch baby hippos swim in the river or watch baby crocodiles sunbathe by the water. Choose carefully. Which one would you choose? Have a pet iguana as your loyal companion or have a pet chameleon as your colorful friend.